I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume Cordyceps militaris. Cordyceps militaris is a fascinating fungus known for its potential health benefits. You can enjoy it in several forms, each offering a unique way to integrate it into your daily routine. We will cover everything from preparing teas to incorporating powders into your favorite drinks, ensuring you get the most out of this remarkable supplement. Let's dive into the different methods. There are several popular ways to consume Cordyceps militaris. For a soothing tea, simply steep dried cordyceps in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you prefer a more concentrated form, tinctures are excellent. Just place a few drops under your tongue. Powders are incredibly versatile, easily blended into your morning smoothie or coffee. You can even add whole fruiting bodies to savory dishes like soups or stews for a nutritious boost. Understanding the right dosage is crucial for optimal results. For Cordyceps powder, a common daily intake is between 1 and 3 grams. If you are using a tincture, 1 to 2 milliliters taken once or twice a day is generally recommended. When incorporating whole cordyceps into your meals, a serving size often falls between 3 and 6 grams. Remember, consistent daily consumption is key to experiencing the full spectrum of benefits over time. To truly maximize the benefits of Cordyceps militaris, always prioritize sourcing high-quality products from trusted suppliers. It is also wise to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. Remember, Cordyceps works best as part of a holistic approach, complementing a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. Finally, store your Cordyceps products properly in a cool, dry place to maintain their potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.